Hey everybody, this is Jonathan, E2004 Production, and I apologize for not making any videos lately. But this is a pretty different one than usual, because someone actually requested me to do the the Wiggles, What's Inside the Wiggles DVDs booklets. Now, I wish I can do it, but the thing is, I have so many Wiggles DVDs, and most of them are not have the booklets removed when I was little, so this might be a long video. So if you guys don't want to stay and watch this whole thing, then I suggest you just watch the... Okay, what is that noise? And I don't know where it's coming from. Anyway, let's see what booklets we have in here. They appear to be dusty. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the first one. If I could just reach in. Actually, let's grab the whole thing. Let's grab the whole thing out. Put this down to one side. Let's grab the whole thing. There we go. Right. Let's see if there's booklets in here. And this one does. Okay, so here's this booklet. The front. And the back. And would you stop making that noise, please? Okay. I'll find out later, but here's what the inside looks like. All right. That's one of them done. Let's see the others. Okay. Let's see. Let's have a look at this one. Nope. There's no booklet in here. I know there's no booklet in there because this is a promotion DVD. This one, Races the Rainbow? No. How about this one? Yes, there is. Okay. The Wiggles Dancing Live in Concert. So here's the front and the back. And this is the inside. Okay. Let's see what's in this one. Nope, there's nothing again strong. How about this one? Nope. Nothing in here. This one? No. How about this one? Nope. This one? No. This one? No. Just a double disc thing. This one, Go Bananas. Oh, there is something here. It's not a Wiggles one. This is an ABC. Excuse me, this is an ABC for Kids one. Front and the back. Show you every page. What is making that noise? Will you shush? And there's Bindi Irwin, the Jungle Girl, which I absolutely love. Lots of ABC for Kids shows. I really wish that Greg was still with the Wiggles throughout the whole 21 years, but what can you say? Life is life. He had a condition back in 2003 or 2005 maybe, but it was announced in 2006. I'm pretty sure I showed you the back as well. Alright, so that was from Go Bananas. Let's have a look at the other ones. This one? Yes, there is one in here. Front and the back. This is the Big Show. Here's page 1. Number 2. Number 3. And that's pretty much it. Right. That was from the first shelf. Let's close this up. Just there. And I'll put these 4 back where they belong. Up here, I believe. I think it was like this. Yeah, it was like that. Sweat head. Okay. Let's have a look at the second shelf. If I can get the second shelf to come on down, second shelf. Here we go. Let's have a look at these ones and see if there's booklets in here. Nope. Not in the Kingdom of Paramithy. Oh, hot popcorn. Nope. This one? No. How about this one? Nope. This one, which is the TV series one of Dorothy the Dinosaur? No. This one? Yes. Just kidding. No. Will you stop making that noise, please? I really need to find out what it is. It's not on this one. How about this one? No. This is one of my favorite Dorothy the Dinosaur videos there. Traveling show? No. Ukulele baby? No. How about this one? Big birthday? No. Okay, so nothing in this pile. What on this pile? Hey, a new era. Okay. Let's have a look in here. This one? No. How was it like? Was it like this? I believe it was like that, yeah. Actually, no, I think it was upside down. Yeah, I think it was, yeah. It's Always Christmas with You. Yes, there's one in here. The front and the back. Let's have a look in here. This page. And this page. That's all the pages we have in here. Let's close this up. Put it back there. This one? No. Do you want to know why? Because it's clear. How about Surfer Jeff? Nope. I was about to say, go. Can I get you the, can I get that sound to shut the sound? Shut the frig. Nope, there's no booklet in this one. How about this one? No. Bing, bada, boom, bada, ba. This one? No. Okay, come on. Please do this one. No! There's nothing in here. How about this one? No. But it is one of my favorite New Wiggles DVDs. Go, Santa, go. Nope. How about I'll Potatoes, the Best of the Wiggles remake? No. And now, the next shelf. I can grab them all. Hey, okay. Let's have a look in here. I was about to say go bananas, but this is apples and bananas, which is a no-no. Who's in the Wiggle House? Nope. Wake Up Lucky? No. Let's have a look in Beautiful. This one? Nope. But I do remember I have these two down at the bottom, the compilation video, so maybe I can check there too. But it's not in Fruity Feast. This one? No, but this is one of the hot ones. Meet the Orchestra. No, but this is a good one too. Simon Says. No. Town. No. These booklets were removed when I was little. I don't know what I did with them. And this is also a big no-no. Okay. Well, we're not having good luck so far, but let's have a look at this fifth shelf. Okay. Daily for Emma. No. How was it like? Is it like this? Yeah, I believe it was like that. Dance Dance. No. I already know there's not going to be booklets in the rectangle cases. And this one doesn't have a booklet either. We're in Australia. Nope. This is one of the first Wiggles live concerts since 2012. Duets? No. If Rolf Harris didn't get arrested for child abuse, he would have been a great success. He would have made a great reunion in this DVD, but because of him, it never happened. Which is kind of disappointing. Nursery rhyme. Will you stop making that stupid noise, please? Not the thing, the other one. Wiggly Really Christmas? No. And this is the last one to have the handle case. No. And I'm pretty sure that nothing's going to be on these rectangle cases. So, no, look, see? Nothing. This one? Nothing. But it does have an inside, which I'm not going to show you the inside because that's not even a booklet. This one doesn't have a booklet either. Okay. This next shelf. I'm pretty sure this is going to be an epic fail for me because with rectangular cases like these, they don't have the they don't have booklets. This one doesn't have a booklet. 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 But Emma does look pretty, by the way. Fun and games. This one doesn't have a booklet either. How about this one? This one doesn't have a booklet. Not this one. Raw fruit salad? Nope. All the colors of the rainbow and the bowl is the world. But no booklets. Last version of love? No. I'm pretty sure the last four ones don't have booklets. But let's find out, shall we? Halloween Party? No. Super Duper? I mean Super Wiggles? I know, I had that joke like so many times. Nope, not in Super Wiggles either. Number 3. No. And the last one, and the final DVD to be released in Australia. Oh, hell no. Okay, well that's all the main ones. Let's have a look at the other ones, which are down at the bottom here. See, these are the ones that I'm talking about. I'm going to grab the other ones too. Let's see if these ones have the booklets. Okay, I'll turn around this way. First one we got is Big Red Car on Top of the Tots. No. Oh, this one. It's a wiggly. Would you stop making that noise, please? This is Until We Get Work in Space Dancing. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the booklet. How about this one, which is Races to Rainbow and Sound on the World? No. This one, which is Cold Spring Western and Wiggle Bay. No. Wiggle Dancing and Getting Strong. Nope. Not here. How about Pop Go the Wiggles and Sing a Song of Wiggles? No. Last one from the pile. Hop Pop Popcorn and The Big Big Show? No. None of them are in this pile. We do have the other one. Let's see if the booklets are in there. Toot Toot and Woohoo Wiggly Gremlins? No. Yummy Yummy and Wiggle Time? Nope. Wiggly Safari and Hoop to Do to Wiggly Party? I guess that's a big no-no. I was right. And this one, Splish Splash Bigger Boat and It's Time to Wake Up Jeff? No. And we've got 3 more left. Let's Eat and Go Bananas? No. This one, Ukulele Baby and You Make Me Feel Like Dancing? No. And last one, lucky last, It's Always Christmas With You and Santa's Rockin'. I'm going to close my eyes. Do they have the booklet? No! Come on, man. Oh, man. Well, that's all the booklets that I have, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll probably see you in the next one.